we troubles a lot. So today's I'm not that much fluent, but I'm going to be fluent. So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashmi, and I'm from Ayodhya. Yes. So as you know that today is the third day of learning fluent English. So yes, I want to show something. Today we troubles a lot. So today's weather is like sun is shining, and I'm sitting and to take a bath and make me warm. That's why, as I have washed my hair and sitting here to take sun bath. Yes, and let me show you the weather. First of all, today's topic is to how to improve English for beginners. You know, so how can you start to speak? A good tip is to immerse yourself in English, like just dip yourself in English. So consume it as much as possible, like watch movies, listen songs, and not a particular any song, but in whatever you like, you can listen. So the main thing you can pick is interest is the main thing. If you are interested in doing something, then you do as you like it, cause like do make English as a part of your life, and don't take it as burden that I have to do this, I have to do this. No, make it as a regular practice. Just practice for 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So how can you start? Let me tell you. uh, just start with simple sentence like I am going, I am listening music, I am sitting, and I am bathing, I had my lunch, right? I had my lunch. And then when used to use these types of sentences, then add something extra like I had my lunch, and the lunch was tasty. Okay, and after using tasty, and let's replace your word tasty like the taste was delicious. Just replace tasty by the taste was delicious. Like I had my lunch, that was tasty, and again that the food was delicious, right? So I am also learning English, and I started 1 month ago. And in December I decided that I have to speak fluent English. And right now I will show my first video, as I have recorded a 10 to 12 video but haven't uploaded yet, just because of I feel fear and I feel shameful that how I am speaking, and how I am how anyone judge me. But when New Year came, just I realized that I should upload with the video whether it is good or not, but I uploaded. And since as I decided that I have to upload it, my confidence is like just blowing. I'm just more confident after uploading the video. So don't set a time that you have to do this, and don't pressurize yourself that you have to do this. No, just like a game, just play this game. And I want to tell you that it's far better to speak than to be silent, right? Don't afraid to make mistake. In starting you will make mistake, but don't ignore that mistake. Again, improve that mistake and go ahead. And after that, if again you will make mistake, and just correct it and learn from it, and again go ahead. You can improve it like this. I improved like this, and that's why I am telling you that it's not a hard nut to crack. You can do it, but you have to start it. If you don't start that, you don't know, and you don't experience where I am incorrect. And just start. So learn English in more interesting way. Just follow me, and I will make more interesting videos to make you more confident, and learn English what work for me. And uh, yes, I'm not that much fluent, but I'm going to be fluent. right? So look at this flower, it's so beautiful. Just bloom like a flower and be beautiful by heart and be kind and improve your skills that makes you beautiful, right? She is my sister, you can see picture.